Here at the trailer park on County Highway 48 Back River Road. It's definitely back to being a river. Back in 2006 there was a gigantic flood that wiped out half our park, and here we go, 2011, September 8th, there we go, right back to where it was. They never rebuilt the trailers down there, but start showing you here. There's one trailer, the water's already up to the shed. And that goes back, the landlord started building a dike with dirt, dug up all the park down there, and here we go. Seen some hydroplanes, and we got helicopters over there. That's the military, they're back in town, thank God. There's what they did, and they built that all the way around the park. There you go, it's coming up. It was flowing like a river earlier, now it's calmed down a little bit. There we go. Now that's all farmland over there. Or it used to be anyway, corn, all that. That's how close we are to the trailers. Right down over there, something crawling in there. If we can get that. There's a military over there in one of their big hovercraft. Some must have got stuck down there. There's a trailer or two down there. It's probably gone. There's the blue house down there. It's coming right up over the lawn again. Last time it came up halfway to where that propane tank sits down there. We'll see.